This is a tray table from TableMate. There you go. It is available in multiple color choices. This one is black. The material is plastic and it feels very well constructed. The finishing looks good as well. It can hold up to 40 pounds of weight. Assembly is extremely easy. Here is the L-shaped leg. Here's the back of the base. Connect the leg right here. It easily snaps into place. You don't need any tools. Now let's connect the adjustment rod. With this design, you can adjust the table to 3 different angles. It also allows you to choose between 6 different height settings. There you go. This is designed to stay stable on any surface, carpet or hardwood. You can use it as a dinner tray or laptop stand. It also has a cup holder. Overall, this multi-use table tray is nicely designed, easy to assemble and use, works great, and this pack is highly recommended.